Hey friends, if transparency effects are not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side and select colors in the right pane. Make sure that this is enabled. If it is not, you'll notice that everything goes dark. It becomes opaque. The transparency effect impacts will not work. Okay, so this is the case. This is the main reason behind the problem. But if this doesn't help either, then simply update the graphics card drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Now scroll down and expand display adapters. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. And if that doesn't help either, then the last solution will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.